Hi, welcome to Commonsense Philosophy. In this series you are about to watch, I'll be sharing with you investing. How to invest. Why do you need to invest? How do you get the money to invest? And the things you should avoid in order to have fruitful investments. I want you to take this series as a friend speaking with you. I will also engage with you actively in the comment section. So feel free to drop your comments and questions as I read through and we have a very lovely discussion. The year 2020 has taught us all a very big lesson. You need investments to deliver you dividends month after month, week after week, or on a yearly basis. 2020 also taught us to invest as surpluses, using the surplus period to pay for the lean period. So now, how do we get the money to invest? The way we get money to invest is quite diverse. One of the ways to get money to invest is by dipping into your savings. How much do you have on ground? In cash or in locked in assets that you can easily reposition to give you working capital to invest. Asset repositioning is when you take an asset that you already have and liquidate it. Use the money for your investment. For example, a lot of people have 2 cars, some 3, 5 watches. Now you need to make an investment. Instead of taking a loan or going into a savings, he simply sells off one of the cars or 2 of the watches and use the money to invest. Investment can also be financed by taking a soft loan from a friend, a colleague, a family member, someone that understands what you're going into. In some cases, investments are financed through banks and cooperatives. These are interest-bearing loans, which I strongly do not recommend unless you have a high yield investment with very low risk. If you really want to be a good investor, the likes of Warren Buffett, you need to cultivate the habit of savings. Cultivating the habit of savings will help you tremendously on your journey of investing. This is because habit of savings inculcates in you 3 beautiful qualities of all great investors. The first being, all great investors recognize what it means to have delayed gratification. Putting something aside day after day, month after month, year after year will help you cultivate this habit of delayed gratification, which is very, very important in your journey of investing. Cultivating the habit of savings will also help you to gather this pool of funds that you can direct to investments, you can direct to opportunities as they come. Cultivating the habit of savings will also help you tremendously to live below your means. A lot of people take the advice of live within your means, which is really a misnomer, because if you live within your means, you are always broke. But if you live below your means, when you earn $1,000, your expenses are below $1,000. When you earn $10,000, expenses are still below $10,000. While when you live within your means, as your income increases, your needs and your expenses also increases. So, cultivating the habit of savings helps you tremendously to cultivate this habit of living below your means. This does not mean you will not enjoy the good benefits and enjoyments of life, but helping you, this habit of living below your means will help you tremendously to not eat your seed coin, which is something we'll get into later on. So, how do we save?